Hi to everybody. This is lesson 8 from my channel. I am Anand Pereira. In this lesson, we are discussing gem cutting and shapes more than designs. Gem cutting designs are different. So we need to understand well. Shall we move? Gem cutting shapes and designs. This is part 1, lesson 8. Another part we have. It is lesson 9. Please subscribe and give like and share. Now this is the history of gem cutting. There are 3 categories here. Most left side, this side is 800 BC. The era is 800 BC, before Christ. Cabochon, this is the shape. Beads, curved, tumbled. These are the cuts we have done. In 19th century, in this group, thin stone rose cut developed in 1520. This cut was widely used in Bohemian garnets. Brilliant, mixed cut, buff top cut is cabochon, bottom is faceted. Mughal cut, old miners cut, old European cut, step cut, star cut, thick stone. These are the 19th century cuts. We are in 20th century now. These are the cuts we are handling up to the 21st century also. Oval, round, heart, marquee, spear, emerald, square, baguette, tapered, fancy, unique facets, checkerboard. This is called checkerboard, princess. And this is called concave cut. Presented by Doug Hoffman in the early 90s, the concave cut is 3-dimensional conical shaped facet applied to the pavilion of the gem to create depth, length, and the breadth. 3D cut. Look at this. This is the top view. This is the bottom view. In bottom view, no culet. There is a culet line here. Inside the red circle, it is mentioned as keel. This is top side. This is bottom side. That means crown and the pavilion. Now look at this. You can understand the girdle. Then the crown we learned earlier. 1/3 of the height. Pavilion. 2/3 of the height. This is table. This is crown height, pavilion height, the total depth. Then this is called culet. In here, this is oval shape. The culet is not a point. It is a line. That is called keel. Gemstones and diamond shapes. This is a round shape. Oval shape, top and bottom. Pear shape, top and bottom. Crown and the pavilion, both. Marquee shape. Heart shape, top and the bottom. Square cushion. Square cushion. Cushion. This is cushion oval. This is square cushion. Top and the bottom. Baguette. Square. Emerald or radiant. Top and the bottom. Square emerald octagon. Rectangle. Triangle. Trilliant or trillion. Top and bottom. Tapered. Freedom. This is octagon shape. Top side and the bottom side. Culet is this line. Look at here. Emerald cut. Oval. Radiant. Top and the bottom. Pear. Trillion. Old minor cut. Marquee cut. Cushion cut. Heart shape. Heart cut. Escher. Flanders. Princess cut. Those are the cuts. Here, round, top and the bottom. The side view, top and the side view. Princess cut, top and the side weave. Oval, top and the side weave. Marquise cut, top and the side weave. And heart shape, heart cut, emerald cut. Pier, Asture, cushion, trillion, baggage, radiant. Those are the cuts and the shapes. This is called double cabochon. This is single cabochon. One side only cabochon cut. Both sides are cabochon. So it is called double cabochon. This is called single cabochon. Now look at this. This is the light emitting way. This cut is swallow. This is very deep. In Sri Lanka, we can see a lot of stones like this. It is deep cut. When the light enters from the top, it goes through the pavilion. So in this area, you can see the window. Nobody buys this. We have to recut it and make it proportional like this. When we cut it, recut it into proportional cut, the light rays are moving like this way. This is the way we have to need. We have to sell. If not, we have to recut. This is also wrong. The problem is height is the connection between the height and the diameter. This is the width. Width and the height. There is a connection. Width and the height. Height must be 60% from the width, not the length. Width. Height must be 60% of the width. This is the problem. So we have to resize this. Then it will give the small stone. This is deep. This is the best one. Look at here. So it is called ideal cut. Now, the best cut table should be 60%. But we can see table maybe 30%, 40%, because they want to increase the weight of the stone. They are thinking about the weight only, not the ideal cut. So buyers don't buy. Buyer needs this cut. So the crown should be 60%, not table. Table should be 60%. These are called these triangle shape facets are star facets. This one also star facet. This triangle also star facet. This triangle also star facet. The other is the table. This one main facet. Crown main facets. It is like a kite. These two triangles are facets, upper girdle facets. Another name for girdle is bezel. Upper girdle facets. This is the girdle. Lower girdle facet. Triangular. Pavilion, main pavilion facet. This is main pavilion facet. This is called cunut. This is the crown and the pavilion. Crown angle should be minimum is this 34.5 degrees. Pavilion angle should be 41%. So this is the ideal cut. Now we are moving to here. Now crown is there, pavilion, girdle, whole depth. See here, 100. If it is 100%, the width of this 53 to 57% table needed to give the best luster. Then the top angle here is 34.5. Bottom pavilion angle is, this angle is 40.75 degrees. Look at here. It is 98.5 degrees. It is brilliant cut, diamond cut, or brilliant cut. These angles are differ with the variety. Sapphire, semi-precious, little bit difference is there. So cutter should be noticed. These are the percentages. But earlier we learned 1/3 and 2/3. Now look at here. Light comes and goes through the table like this way. So this is called good ideal cut. It is here. This is bad. This is also bad. Shallow, deep. The best cut is this. If it is this way, we need to recut it, resize and recut. This also we need to not to resize, recut only. Pavilion only we have to adjust. Here, the top and bottom both we have to adjust. Then we will get the small stone. This is the real cut. So remember, when we are choosing, when we are doing cut and polish business, we have to choose this kind of cut only. If not, we have to recut. Don't buy this. When we recut, it will get big loss. This little loss. So we have to think about always ideal cut. Various appearances of a stone. This is the top. Side view. Bottom view. Oval. Top. Top. Bottom. Middle is side view. Top. Bottom. Side view. Top side. Bottom side. This is side. Angles are given. Look at this. Top side, flower cut, bottom side. This is called flower cut. It is like a flower. This is the culet. Side view. Here, this is called rose cut. Octagonal shape, octagonal cut. Now, this is fancy cut. This is, when you see this, you can understand the girdle here. It is very wide, very thin, wide, very wide. The girdle is wrong. Remember, when we are cutting gemstone, the girdle must be same width, even girdle. Here, like even girdle. We need even girdle. So cutter should be responsible for this, even girdle. And the culet here is, culet has gone to the right side. This is the center of the stone. Culet should be here, but it is here. So this error called off culet. It is off culet. Then buyers reject these stones. So we have to recut this. Here it is convex than this side. So we have to recut this. We have to shape this and get the culet to this side. This error occurs because of the doping error. Before cutting, we have to dop the stone to the stick and use the faceter to facet. So when it is doping, this mistake happens. So it is a big job. So we have to learn scientifically. That's why I am telling you, you should learn little bit gem cutting also to do the business. It is compulsory. And various appearances here also. Round, top and bottom. Princess, this is side view. This is side view. Top. Pier, asture, cushion, trillion, marquee, side view, oval side view, princess side view, pier cut side view, asture side view, cushion side view, baguette, top, radiant, top, heart, top, emerald cut, or octagonal shape, octagonal cut, top, side view, side view. These are the ideal proportions for the diamond. Look at the pavilion and the top angles and the bottom angle, culet angles. These are the brilliant cut, as I told earlier also. Those are faceted. These are cabochon. Look at the top, star. It is cabochon. Cabochon star. Cabochon purple star. Top. This is double cabochon. Top and the bottom both are double cabochon. One side cabochon, the other side is the bottom of the star. This is the top side. This is the bottom side of the star. Stars, cat's eyes are also cutting like these cabochons. One side, single side cabochon. See, top side, bottom side. Join us and learn and enrich your future. We will meet in the next part 2, lesson 9. Please subscribe and share the channel. Bye.